Good morning, children. This is Shrivalsa speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter comparing quantities, and we are presently doing the exercise 8.2, in which I have already explained question number 1, 2, and 3 in the previous video. So, here in this video, I'm gonna explain about some questions of this exercise. So, I'm starting from question number 4, exercise 8.2. Question number 4. Okay, so let us read the question first, children. What has been asked? The cost of an article is 15,500 rupees. Okay, cost price is how much? 15,500 rupees. That's fine. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. Means more 450 rupees were spent on repairing the item or the article. So we will add the 450 with 15,500. Now question is, sir, why? Why are you adding 450 rupees with 15,500? Because cost price doesn't only mean that how much by how much price you are buying something. It can also be meant that how much money you are investing, how much money you are taking out of your pocket, how much money you are investing in total. That is also called cost price. Okay, so 15,500 rupees was the buying price of an article, and 450 rupees 450 rupees was spent on the item. So total buying price or the final cost price is 15,950 rupees. This is the total buying price of the article. I hope it's clear till this much. Now question is 15% was while the person has sold it off, he made a 15% profit on it. So as we all know that, like percentage of profit or percentage of loss, we always calculate on cost price. So here is a cost price 15,950, and we are going to make a profit of 15%. So let us find out 15% of 15,950. So children, once we calculate this, what we will get? We will get the amount of profit. How much money he has gained actually by selling the article. So it means that 15 by 100 into 15,950. Okay children, 0 and 0 got cancelled. I will just simply multiply 15 with 1595. So 1595 multiplying with 15. Let's see what comes. Okay, now 5 ones are 5, 9 ones are 9, 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1. Let us find out. 5, 7 plus 4, 5, 12, 2. Okay, 2392 5, 2392 5. Okay, so this is 232925 divided by 10. So finally I'm supposed to get how much, children? Finally I'm supposed to get 2392.5. Children, this is the amount of profit. What is this, children? This is the amount of profit. Okay, so we know that selling price SP is always cost price plus profit. Okay, so what was the cost price, children? The cost price was 15,950 plus the amount of profit is 2,392.5. All right, so now let us add these two number, children, in order to get the selling price of the article. So we'll just simply add them and we will get 5.2 9 plus 9 plus 3. Okay, we can just simply add in these way, children, in order to avoid the mistakes. 15950.0 and 2392.5. Just add them up. 5.2 18,342.5. This is the selling price. 18,342.5 rupees is a selling price of. This is a selling price of the article. I hope it's clear to everyone. Okay. Using this process, we have to calculate this answer. Calculate this question. Now, children, let us talk about one more important question of this chapter. Is question number 5. Very interesting question, children. A VCR and a TV were bought for rupees 8,000 each. Matlab VCR was bought in rupees 8,000 and TV was bought for rupees 8,000. Understanding the question is more important. It's very important. If you don't understand the question, you can never solve such things. The shopkeeper made a loss on 4% on selling the VCR, and TV made a profit of 8% on selling the TV. So let us find out the selling price of VCR first. So let us find out 4% of 8,000 in order to get, the loss amount. 0 cancelled. 4% of 8,000 is 320. So the selling price is 8,000. Cost price minus the loss amount is how much? It will be subtracted. 8,000 minus 320 will be how much, children? 0. We'll just simply subtract 8,000 minus 320. 0. Then 8. 7680. 7680. This is the selling price of VCR. So let me mark somewhere. Selling price is 7,680 rupees for VCR. Now let us find the selling price of TV. Okay. As we all know that he made a profit of 8%. So let us find out 8% of 8,000. Means 8 by 100. 0 got cancelled. 640 rupees he made a profit. So selling price is how much, children? Selling price is how much? 8,000 plus cost price plus profit. 8,000 plus 640 is how much? 8,640. This is another selling price of TV. Children, then what is the total selling price? Because the total cost price was, let me write somewhere. Selling price, another selling price is 8,640. So now, children, question is, then what was the total buying price? Total CP was 16,000. 8,000 plus 8,000 was 16,000, and total SP, total selling price is 8,640 plus 7,680. Okay, let us add them. 16,320 is the total selling price. Okay, so it is clearly understandable that he made a overall profit is 16,320. Total selling price minus total buying price is how much? 320. So he made a profit, overall made a profit. Although he made a loss on selling VCR, made a profit on selling TV, but he actually made a profit, overall profit of rupees 320. Okay, then how will I find the percentage of profit, children? I'll find the percentage of profit. The total percentage of profit is, total profit means 320 by total buying price was 16,000 into 100 in order to get the percentage, overall percentage of profit. 0 0 0 0 0 0 cancelled. 16 2s are 32. He made a actually 2% profit in overall selling on VCR and TV. So I hope it's clear to everybody. Please try out this sum in this way. If there is any doubts and confusions, please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.